Hello everyone, you welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef MMN, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make coated peanut. If this is what you want to learn, please stick to the very end of this video and like this video so others can see it. I'll be using raw peanuts. I'll be using flour. I have my powder milk. I'll be using sugar, grated nutmeg. I have my egg and salt, also my vanilla flavor. First of all, I'll go ahead and select my peanuts. It's very important you select your peanuts so that if there's any stone inside or dead peanuts, you're going to remove it. So after I'm done selecting my groundnuts or peanuts, I'll turn it into a basin. After turning it into a basin, I'm going to add salt so that it will have taste. I go ahead and add my hot water. Because it's raw peanuts, it's very important that you use hot water. I'll allow this to soak for a few minutes, stir it properly, and rinse it out. After straining out my raw peanuts, I'm going to put it in a tray. After putting it in the tray, I will keep it outside to sun dry for 2 hours or more. Then I'll go ahead and sieve my flour. It's important to sieve your flour before using it so that if there is any dirt in the flour, you will sieve it out. After sieving my flour, I'll go ahead and add all my dry ingredients, starting with my powder milk. I'll go ahead and add my salt, my grated nutmeg, and mix it together. After mixing all my after mixing my dry ingredients, I'll set it aside. I'll go ahead and break my egg. Like I always say in my previous video, it's important to break your egg one after the other and turn it into the main bowl. This is so that if there is any bad one, you'll be able to separate it out. If you watch this video to this very time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video so that others can see it. So I'm prepping my wet ingredients now. I'll go ahead and whisk my egg first, add in my sugar and my vanilla flavor. Adding sugar here will help your sugar to dissolve well. After prepping my wet ingredients and my dry ingredients, my raw peanut has been well sun dried and is ready for me to use it. I'm going to turn it into a bowl. Get a big bowl. It's important you have a big bowl to mix this, okay? Because we are going to start our coating process proper. So I will turn all my raw peanuts into a bowl or a basin. You can do this bit by bit so that your peanuts will be well coated. After turning into the basin, I'll go ahead and pour in flour first and shake it properly, mix it properly before adding my wet ingredients. There is a technique to this coating process. If you don't follow the technique, you're going to have peanut that is not well covered or not well coated rather. So you're going to drizzle in your flour mixture, that's the flour with all your dry ingredients inside. Mix it properly and go ahead and add in your wet ingredients mixture. Okay, combine this together and also check for the one that is gummed together and separate it. So guys, you just keep repeating this same process till you are done with your coating proper. So I'm not done yet with my coating, I'm almost there. So I make sure that everything that's thick is well separated. So guys, it's time to fry our coated peanuts. The first thing you do is to drop in one first, and when it comes up, you know that you are done. Once my oil is hot, I'll go ahead and add in my coated peanuts. It's important to stir it the way I'm doing, sideways. Don't stir it anyhow, so you will not scatter your peanuts. And make sure you fry this on medium to low heat so that it will be well fried inside out. So my peanut is ready and I'm removing it from the fire. This is the second batch and I'm done frying my peanuts. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing recipes. I want to especially thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you for the support. I see you all. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. You can also suggest to me, drop a comment, the kind of video you would like me to drop in my next video. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.